Imagine instantly boosting your metabolism, and then burning more fat throughout the whole day, even when you're just sitting on your duff. Did you know there are several spices that have been shown in hundreds of scientific studies to do exactly that? One of the most well-known is cinnamon. Here's how it works. 1. Controls insulin levels, which means less calories stored as fat. 2. Speeds metabolism, so you burn more even at rest. 3. Helps to burn belly fat. Cinnamon is said to impact abdominal fat more than fat found in other parts of your body. 4. Suppresses appetite, so you stay full longer. All you need to do is add a bit of cinnamon to your daily coffee or smoothie to enjoy these powerful metabolism-boosting effects. Pretty impressive, isn't it? However, did you know that the most recent scientific research proves that yet another spice works even better and faster than cinnamon? In one case study, this ancient spice triggered a drop of 23 pounds in only 21 days. Not only that, hundreds of research papers prove that this easy-to-find spice is one of the single best things you can consume to boost your overall health and prevent disease. Can you guess what this spice is? Find the answer here by clicking the links in the description below. Enjoy and have a great day.